What shape do you want your pancakes in today?
Mickey Mouse.
Got my trusty squeeze bottle with regular pancake mix. Let's see if I can make a Mickey Mouse. I love sketching Mickey Mouse on paper, but getting these proportions right with batter, not so much. The ears are always the hardest for me. Why do they never match up? Okay, I've got a couple of drippies to clean up while the first layer sets. Once the first pour starts to darken, I go ahead and fill in the next layer. More drippies, just ignore that. In theory, the first layer is going to be the darkest, and each layer after that is going to get lighter and lighter. Now for the eyes. I always save them for last because I want them to stay light. Time for the flip. This is the moment of truth. Well, aside from some lumpy ears, I'd say we got a Mickey Mouse that's passable. Let's see what Luke thinks. Here you go.
I'm happy.
Does it look like Mickey Mouse?
Look, this part. This is too big.
You don't like that ear?
It's too big.
Are you gonna eat it anyway?
I'm gonna eat part of it. Thank you, Daddy.